Hey there, welcome to VisualizerPro. So, let's talk about something you've probably heard a lot about. Artificial intelligence or just AI. What's the big deal? Why does everyone keep talking about it? And seriously, is it already changing your life? Let's start with the basics. AI just means machines that can think or learn from experience. Kind of like how I learned to ride a bike, but way less embarrassing. There are two main flavors. Narrow AI, which is what we have now. Think of Siri, Google Translate, or even your email spam filter. They're really good at one thing, but that's it. Then there's general AI, machines that might one day think and reason like humans. But don't worry, that's still science fiction. For now, here's the cool part. You're already using AI every single day, maybe without even knowing it. Netflix recommends your next binge using AI. Google Maps? Yep, it predicts traffic with AI. Even your phone's camera uses AI to snap the perfect pic. In hospitals, AI helps doctors spot diseases early. On farms, it tells farmers when to water crops. It's literally everywhere. So why does this matter? AI is making things faster, cheaper, and smarter. Businesses predict what you'll buy. Self-driving cars learn the roads. Even songs and paintings are being created by AI. But of course, there are big questions. Will AI take jobs? Can it be dangerous? And how do we make sure it's used fairly? Stick around, I'll help you make sense of it all.